In the previous video, we have seen how to make an user request as a supervisor for Swatch DNR application. In this video, I'll explain you how to log in as a supervisor into Swatch DNR application. Let me log in with my user credentials as a supervisor. We are building this Swatch DNR application for railway people for railway contracts of PNBE, DNR, PPTA, RJPB stations. There are 4 types of roles in Swatch DNR application. They are supervisor, railway admin, contractor, railway manager. Each role have specific permissions to perform specific kind of activities in Swatch DNR application. Let me log in as a supervisor into Swatch DNR application for PNBE station. After successfully logging into the Swatch DNR application, it navigates you to the home page of the Swatch DNR application. There are different kinds of buttons which explain the different kinds of features of the CMS application. The buttons present on the home page and the dashboard are similar and means performs same activities. As a supervisor, he can have the permission to read ratings of the supervisors, read ratings of tasks given by other supervisors, write ratings of the task by himself. Let's look at rating current shift, read today's rating. Here the supervisor can able to read the ratings given by other supervisors like 3 here. If you want to see for a particular date, then you can use this option. Like I am using for today only. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. A supervisor can able to give rating to the tasks by himself. That is how I'll show you. Like he can't override the rating which is already given by other supervisors. He can give only rating to the tasks which are in pending state. There are many tasks with pending state. Let me give some rating to this task. The comment should be necessary if the rating is below 2 stars. If the rating is above 2 stars means no comment is necessary. Means we may or may not put the comment. We are updating the task status to completed. After submitting this form, it will redirect to this page. In this page, about the task completion information should be present. You are given rating for task 1, shift 1, occurrence 2 and rating 3 star, commented as good. The image 2 rendered here, but due to some problem in my local not rendered. Likewise, a supervisor can read the ratings of the other supervisors and write ratings by himself for task, get PDF. Using this option, a supervisor can able to download the PDF of a particular date. The PDF explains the kind of activities performed by the other users and by this user in the form of a PDF. Let me show. For date today. These PDF show the kind of activities performed by other supervisors, like giving any passenger feedback, inspection feedback, or rating for tasks. All kind of information is provided in this PDF, and the user as a supervisor can have the permissions to download this PDF. After that, read graph. Using these, the supervisor can evaluate the performance of other supervisors in a visual way. Selecting all users. I want to see their performance from 1st June to 10th June. Yeah, the graph is not correct over my local, but it is okay on the prod. It displays a graph which show the performance of all users, means all supervisors for all tasks and for all ratings from 1st June to 10th June. Now we have another feature as passenger feedback. Here a supervisor can ask a passenger to give passenger feedback for particular task by entering name, ticket number, mobile number, and all these fields. If it is excellent, the task is excellent, performed very well, then excellent. Otherwise okay. If it is not performed well, then poor. Like this, a supervisor can collect the feedback from any passenger. These feedback to uploaded over the PDF. Inspection feedback. Here a supervisor can give inspection feedback for other supervisors' performance for a particular date, rating the performance of the task if it is good, excellent, or not 90% okay. If the performance of the task is very poor, then he will give 0%. Means a supervisor can give inspection feedback of other supervisors' tasks. Complaint. As a supervisor, he did not have any permissions to make any complaint. Only a railway admin can have the permissions to make complaint and approve user request. And the contractor railway managers are similar to supervisor. So these are the features and these are the permissions that a supervisor will have to perform the different kind of activities over Swachh DNR application.